If you want to block someone on Facebook, this tutorial will show you the quickest way to do it directly from the Facebook app. First, open Facebook and find the person you want to block. You can search their name, open their profile from your feed, messages, or even from a friend request. Once you're on their Facebook profile, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the screen. Now, select the Block option from the menu. Facebook will then show you what happens after blocking someone. Once blocked, that person won't be able to see your posts, tag you, message you, or interact with your profile normally. To continue, tap Block again to confirm. Wait a few seconds, and that's it. The person is now blocked on Facebook successfully. So yeah, that's how to block someone on Facebook using the Facebook mobile app. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tutorials.